Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Dear viewers, in front of me PANASONIC GH5, and now I'm gonna show you how to insert memory cards and how to use double cards on this device. So basically, to insert memory cards, you don't need to have special abilities. You just need to open the memory card tray, and here as you can see we have card number 1 and card number 2, and we can insert different type of cards. So this is the Sony Fast card with 150 megabytes per second. As you can see here we have 15 megabytes per second. As you can see, this is the super duper mega fast memory card, but to record in full HD videos you don't need super fast. You can just use even this memory card to record videos in 4K. This is very fast card to move data from your device to your PC, for example. Or of course it's better when you use card to record in 4K too. So insert both memory cards, then close the SD cards tray and go. So now we inserted 2 memory cards, as you can see. It's seed. So now we can choose the way we will use these cards. To do that, we need to open menu, then find here settings, scroll right, and find here double slot function, as you can see in the sort section. So double slot function, click on it, and here we need to choose the recording method. Click on it, and we can use relay reg. So when the selected destination is full, camera will automatically switch to the other card, or backup recording. So in this way, the same photos and videos will be saved on both cards in situation when one card will be damaged by some reason. So you will have data on the other card, or you can select, for example, this mode to, for example, save JPEG and RAW files, for example, on card number 1, but 6K for 4K photo and video destination, for example, you can use you can save on the card number 2. For example, I will use this mode, but I'm not suggest. You need to set it up to your situation. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.